ethics would provide any challenge to the growth of the real diamond industry right now?
I don't think so. The consumer demand will growing and growth will be much more than the supply of natural diamonds. Under that scenario, any synthetic diamonds or any other stones comes in the market, it will participate on the overall sales of the jewelry.
So, what other activities can MDMA take up apart from its present activities?
I think there are good amount of things they can do it, like they should issue a newsletter and to inform their members what is happening in the world and in the country on diamonds and jewelry. Apart from that, I would say that number of the members doesn't know accounting and to keep their balance sheet and all that. So, if they have been trained on that, it will be worthwhile that the members while doing trading they also keep the account of their own. And the workers, the 700,000-800,000 artisan in the industry, they need a medical and other support. I think some of the trusts are doing it, but if this Bombay Diamond Merchant Association does it, it will be fine and it will be good gesture for them.
So, what do you think about the level of ethics and morals in the diamond industry?
I think the ethics in the diamond industry is far better than any other industry or the trade in the country or probably in the world. Maybe sometimes you find or you come to know that some cheating has taken place, but that's on a very negligible, and keeping the trust and confidence on their fellow members and fellow diamanter. This is the industry which has grown much faster than anywhere else.
How far the Indian government has been supportive to encourage the gems and jewelry industry?
I think the Indian government has always supported this industry since the beginning, since I would say 1960 onwards. For last 50 years, whatever the industry's reasonable demand was there has been fulfilled. Sometimes it has been delayed by them from their side, but it has been never delayed. I mean never denied. So support will be always there, and there is a future will be much brighter, and we are expecting that government will fulfill all our necessary requirements.
What, according to you, is the future of the Indian gems and jewelry industry?
I think the Indian diamond and jewelry industry has a great future. We have played a major role so far in the world, and in years to come will be able to do much more. We have a unique situation that diamond processing is the highest in the country. As far as the government relaxation, India or the Bombay is becoming a major trading centers. We have a people with good capital. People are very trustworthy. They are focusing on their business very much. So it will remain with India and it will grow furthermore.
So, one thing that you like the most about the Indian gems and jewelry industry?
Yeah, it's a very interesting question. I would say Indian diamonds and gems and jewelry business has been grown leaps and bounds because of their one point agenda that we, the brothers and the family, wants to work together, and that's why the capital was remained in a joint family, which is a larger part of the running the business, and that's why I would say the system what we are going on now, it will do much better, because in other countries and other centers the brothers or probably father and son not necessarily working together. So like Indians, they have a substantial amount of overseas offices of their own which you don't see in other community. So it's a unique things what we have offered to the industry.